So, we have arrived at our complex just before the sun sets, and we are now here, and our home for the next weeks is there. So we walk up these stairs, and that's where we are. With two beautiful palm trees. Yeah. Hi, Jesse. Hello. Hi, Jason. So, and then we have a little balcony here. And we see, it's a bit hard to see on the film, but in the distance you see the mountains. And it's all very manicured, and it's very beautiful. And we're very grateful. So, yeah. Are you happy, boys?
Yeah.
Gail? Are you happy? Can you say bye-bye, Oma?
Bye-bye, Oma. Give it a kiss.
Give Oma a kiss. Wow, beautiful. All right.